Hi, I am Samigdha and I will be solving question number 9 of homework 8. Okay, so what do we have in question number 9? So in question number 9, we have been given a Markov chain x1, x2 up to xn and so on. Then we need to prove that it is statistically determined by its second order probability masses, that is probability of xi equals to xi, xj equals to xj for any I comma j equals to r1 2 and so on. Okay, the what does the Markov before starting, we will consider what is the Markov property. The Markov property states that given the present state, the future states are independent of the past states. Okay, so the nth order probability mass can be written as probability of x1 equals to x1, x2 equals to x2 up to xn equals to xn is equals to probability of xn equals to xn given xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1, xn minus 2 equals to xn minus 2 up to x1 equals to x1 into probability of xn minus 1 equals to xn minus 1 up to x1 equals to x1 by conditional property. Okay, now if we apply the Markov property, we can write probability of x1 equals to x1, x2 equals to x2 up to so on till xn equals to xn is equals to probability of xn equals to xn given xn minus 1 xn minus 1 multiplying by up to probability of x2 equals to x2 given x1 equals to x1, probability of x1 equals to x1. Why all the other terms have no significance? Because it has been given that x1 x2 and so on are Markov chain. Okay, so now we will consider the first order probability. The first order probability can be determined by summing up the probability of all possible combination involving xi equals to xi and for any xj equals to xj. So probability of xi equals to xi can be given as summation probability xi equals to xi, xj equals to xj. Okay, now let's consider j equals to I plus 1. Second order probability mass is given by t of xi equals to xi plus 1 equals to xi plus 1 equals to probability of xi plus 1 given xi into probability of xi. Now for j greater than I plus 1, probability of xi comma xj is given by summation of probability of xi plus 1 up to xj. Okay, so now we can use the Markov property to rewrite the joint probability as a product of conditional probability, can we not? Okay, so we can write probability of xi comma xj can be written as summation probability of xi, probability of xi plus 1 given xi up to probability of xj given xj minus 1. Okay, since we have expressed the joint probability xi comma xi in terms of the second order probability, the entire behavior of the Markov chain can be inferred from this second order probability. Okay, second order probability. So therefore we can say we have shown that a Markov chain is statistically determined by its second order probability masses, probability of xi xj where I comma j is equals to 1 2 and so on, hence proved. Thank you.